So yeah, Ron, while we're waiting, what are the common faults in this car then?
Common faults.
Yeah.
I'll let the car do the talking.
Oh my god. Are you serious?
Just does my head in.
So what happened? I mean, from the factory it wasn't fitted on properly or
No,
what?
so I found out from a few other Tesla owners what to do.
Yeah.
I bought the solution, just haven't had the time to fix it. So need to apply some sort of grease or whatever, something like that.
I see.
Some sort of lubricant.
Oh my lord. And what else? Have you got any other common faults that you have come across in your ownership?
Nothing as bad as that. Well, one other common thing is with the the autopilot.
Hmm.
The motorway has a tendency to just brake out of nowhere. Like when I say full-on emergency brake.
Yeah.
The hazard lights are on and luckily there was no one behind.
Oh, that's crazy.
But yeah, apart from that.
But I'm sure they would
The
probably
majority of
send
the time
out
I
a,
like just driving it myself. I don't.
so they should send out a update for that, and you can get that
Yeah,
update.
most of the little bugs and stuff were sorted with software updates.
So
Pretty
and
much an update every week, really. So it's fine.
and what about a lot of people says like when you get your Tesla delivered, you should look around the car to make sure that there is no panel gap and stuff. So what's your say on that?
Yeah. Well, so obviously before the handover, I was on YouTube. I didn't literally watch every single YouTube video thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, I had a quick look around. Spent quite a lot of time actually.
Yeah.
It was all perfect. It was all fine.
Okay, that's good. That's brilliant.
China made ones. So
I see.
they have a better quality, I guess.
Good. And they were also mentioning like when you go for your Tesla Model 3, like the rim size does matter as well, because the sports performance one, it can be a bit harsher.
Yeah. So
On
when
basic
we
road.
did the test drive, we did test drive the performance as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was a lot. I felt like it was a bit harder. Suspension a bit lower as well with all the, potholes and bumps in London. The higher the better, really.
True.
The smaller the alloy is actually better. I mean, it does ruin the look, but end of the day, it's a day-to-day car. So.
Who cares? You're inside the car as long as you're enjoying what's in there. And I love the simplicity of it. And one of the thing I'm saying to myself is it's been about 20 minutes so far onto our journey, and I'm sold. I'm sold that I'm actually asking him what are the finance options there is for this car, and it's just so nice in it. Like it takes so much stress out of your driving. You only have to get in one of them to understand what I'm saying. And yeah, thank you for watching another short video on this. And share, subscribe. I'm so excited I can't even talk. And yeah, if you own a Tesla or whatever, comment below. Tell me about your experience. I would like to know. Goodbye.